going on, Barbecue Nation? Well, you know what day is. Prep night. July 3rd. Tomorrow is the biggest day in smokers history. Pigs, hogs, hooves, raccoons, everything in the yard can go in the pit tomorrow. So it is the 4th of July. So I'm doing something a little bit different today. First attempt, well, by the time you look over here, it's going to be like 4th attempt. But I'm doing chicken popsicles. So I'm going to give you a quick way how I do them. I know everyone has their own little way to do them, but I just show you mine. So, all right, let's get to it. All right, I already got 3 already knocked out. And you may wonder, how did he get it, the skin? How did he get everything down so nice and neat? Well, I did scrape the bone for one. So let me just show you real fast. Ordinary chicken. All right, come behind, straight down. Everyone that knows, pinch the ACL. Lord, why I say that? But anyway, sorry guys, but that's what it is. I'm nerding out. So you cut all the way around. I got a paring knife here. This is my paring knife from my, what blockers I got there? Oh, my old school 6-star kit I had for like a few years ago. So I just sharpened it up. We'll do a video on knife sharpen testing too. So take that off, slide off the top. Boom. And I have my trusty dollar store utility knife. Utility scissors. These have been through a little work. I picked up another pair today, but I'm not gonna pay $5 or $6 for a pair of scissors. Well, I can go to the dollar store, Dollar Tree, wherever, and have the same ones. You just gotta sharpen them, and I'll show you a little trick on it. So I removed that, have my scissors. You have this little tendon here that runs down. So what you do, disconnect tendon from the bone. Run it all the way down. Hope everyone is brining already, because they're gonna be in trouble. The little bone that runs down the side, don't you worry about that. Put a paring knife in, detach that. Go far as down as you can go with it. Take it down. Some people like to break them off. Just break it off and let that be it. But if I'm having little kids, I'm telling little kids come by, little kids be asking, hey, what you got to eat? Let me have something. I don't want a choke hazard, because that other end of that bone is gonna be stuck in this drumstick. So get your finger up, find a good spot. Don't poke yourself, like I am not trying to do right now. So I'm gonna move my hand out of the way. Cut the other side of it. Boom, boom, boom. Man, it's so much easier 3 ago. Wait a minute. Trying to be slow it down. Take your time. Boom. That's it. You know, a little patience takes you a long way. That's a little small piece. And here is what people would leave, which I would call the little choke hazard. And it's not coming out like I want it to, but it never does. Whenever you have the camera running. Boom. So now, I just pull it down, pull the skin down, make it all nice and neat. I'm going to take these and I'm going to set them in an aluminum pan and do them on Big Stacy tomorrow. So, you know, I'm just going to clean them all up. Make sure to get all that tendon out of here. Little piece of left. I think I'll get my new scissors. Oh, there you go. There we go. Out. Work it all the way down, 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 down. As you see, I did not have to scrape the bone. Everything looks good. I wrap these bones with foil, season them. I'm going to do a few different types and a few different seasons. We're going to talk about some, and that'll be it. All right, guys, thank you very much. Have a good night. Keep brining. Peace. Hey, we up to temp. Starting to put everything on. Let me get over here now. Start putting this chicken on right now. So, you already know, spray down the fab. Looking good. I'm gonna bump it back up with temp. I'm gonna bump it back up in a few minutes. So if anyone have any questions, man, please, please ask, subscribe, like. If you don't like my videos, like what you want to see, I'm always trying to do something for everybody, Beautiful day down here in Jayville, Florida. Everything looking good. Oh man, new neighbors moved in. It's a beautiful day, man. Rolling smoke, Smoke going good. Chicken going on. Might have a few friends come through later. Oh, just let everyone know, I'm not trying to eat all this. So if you in the Duval area, hit me up on any social media. If you don't feel like cooking, man, come through with a styrofoam plate, man. I got you. You know what I'm saying? I'll put you on right now. You know, big people don't got to be the only ones that can cook good food around here, y'all. So that's, you know what I'm saying? Don't be misconstrued. I'm trying to come down a little bit. But yeah, that's it right now. You know, loading everything up. Oh, before I get too far in, these are my popsicles. All done, good to go. You know, make sure I ain't too far on. All good to go. Take my aluminum foil. You know what I'm saying? Go around. Don't got to be nothing too fancy. Just trying to keep the smoke off the bone. Just a presentation. You know, we're just trying something new. Boom, boom, boom. I got a nice little sauce gonna go on these when these come off. Just put them on my top rack because everyone that has a Shirley, normally the top rack is your hot rack. So I got these in a pan to protect them. Got some butter in the bottom of it. You know, I got my own butter I use. The extra cheese on top. Throw that on. I'm gonna throw the rest of my chicken on. And oh yeah, when I get back at the temp again, get everything back settled, I'm doing smoked eggs, y'all. You know, so your boy going all in today. So, like I say, man, hit me up. I'm in the area. Let's do this. And, you know, hopefully the kids keep the fireworks down. So, you know, keep my PTSD down and all the little dogs around here with their thunder shirts on. You know what I'm saying? We'll be good tonight. All right, man. It's your boy Smoking Smitty. Peace. All right, everybody. It's your boy, last chapter, Smoking with Smitty. This is the last part right here. We doing good. Almost done. So my neighbors across the street want food. See, look at them. They hungry already. See? So, you know what I'm saying? You got to feed the people. So let me go and get their plates ready. Let you guys get this view of it. Oh, man. Rolling in here. Oh yeah. Like I told everybody, I like going a little bit over 160 just because I sprayed these back down, put a nice caramel on top of everything. So yeah. All right, man. That's what we do. Another good one. All right, man. It's your boy, Smoking with Smitty. You know what I'm saying? Hope everyone have a great holidays. You know what I'm saying? Don't get too sauced up before you put the sauce on. That's all I'm saying. All right, then. Peace.